rusty gloves. But anyways, then we'll add this guy on, which is the Walker, and then the RLV Performance Exhaust. I like the tone on that one. Alright, well, that's gonna be the next step, but before we get there, you gotta spot weld this guy, take it off, and then weld it. Alright. I did the other side earlier, because I ran into all this video issues. You know, you gotta charge your phone, then make sure there's storage. Jesus Christ. Anyways, let's go. Alright, you gotta make sure you get it on the side. I'll time lapse the rest of it, so stay tuned. Okay, so the last part to connect is the Walker exhaust. We need a dude, and should be good. Yeah. Okay. So you got your ideal position, then tack weld out. Work for what we need to do. Alright, I got the exhaust done. Made in the USA, it says. That's how she looks, everyone. Peace.